In a world where modern tools meet nostalgic craftsmanship, Oat Foundry thrives by blending past and present. This Philadelphia-based company masterfully creates custom split-flap displays, reminiscent of airport information boards. The team, founded by 6 engineering graduates, embraced analog technology to craft their signature display. But as Oat Foundry grew, their reliance on complicated spreadsheets led to inefficiencies and limitations. Seeking a better solution, President Sean Rossiter combed through options until he discovered MRPeasy's unique offerings. Nothing was comparable to MRPeasy, he emphasizes, highlighting its perfect balance of functionality and affordability. Once implemented in late 2022, MRPeasy transformed their operations, connecting departments like never before. Efficiency soared as workers tracked operation times, unveiling bottlenecks and optimizing production processes seamlessly. With MRPeasy's powerful reporting tools, the team gained priceless insights into profitability and resource needs. For just $2,000 a year, accurate data has never been more essential for small manufacturers.